kindergarten. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. We're gonna get started with our greeting this morning. This morning we're gonna do a pinky greeting, and since having your pinkies up is very proper, if you would like, you can greet your family in your best British accent as you say, "Good morning." All right, let's go ahead and look at our calendar. Yesterday was May 12th, which means today is May 13th. Yesterday was our 160th day of school, which means today is our 161st day of school. What day of the week was it yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. If yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday. And if today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday. Awesome job. And we are going to be doing our Zoom call today. We're going to go over some foundations and we are going to practice for our show off. If you can't make it to our Zoom call, that's okay. Just make sure that you're playing the video that I recorded with all of the songs and motions so that you have them all ready to go. We have just a couple of weeks until our big show off, which is really exciting. And just as a reminder, our sight words this week are read and sat. Let's look at our morning message. Good morning, Kinder Crew. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. What number is less? All right, so we are going to circle the number that is less than the other number. So we're going to be comparing numbers and choosing the number that is less. Let's look at our first two numbers. We have 3 and 8. 3 and 8. What number is less? 3. Great job. 3 is less than 8. What about 7 and 4? 7, 4. Which number is less? 4. 10 and 15. 10 and 15. Which number is less? 10. All right. 3 and 1. Which number is less? 1. 5 and 2. Which number is less? 2. Great job. And our last group of numbers, 11 and 18. Which number is less? 11. Fantastic job. Love Mrs. Jones and Mrs. Whalen. For your math review page, looking at number 1, which shape does not belong with the others? Which shape does not belong with the others? For number 2, which picture shows two shapes that are the same? Which picture shows two shapes that are the same? Mathematicians, today we are going to be looking at 3 more words that tell us where something is in relation to something else. So we are going to be looking at the words on, above, and below. And we're going to use these words to describe where something is. So we're going to go ahead and start with the word on. So if I were going to draw something on the house, it might look like this. I might have a direction that says you should draw a window on the house. So if I were going to draw a window on the house, that is what I would do. The window is on the house. The window is on the house. Just like this jacket is on my shoulders. Okay, so this window is on the house. Now above, if you were going to show that, for example, draw a sun above the house, I would draw a sun up here. That shows the sun above the house, or the marker is above my head. The other word we're looking at is below. So for example, if I had a direction that said, please draw grass below the house, I would draw grass below the house. So it goes under the house. So below. So again, the window is on the house, the sun is above the house, and the grass is below the house. So in math today, you are going to be identifying where certain items are, and you're going to be drawing them either on, above, and below, just like I did in this picture. And you can also look around your house and be thinking to yourself, where is my pillow? It's on my bed. Where is the clock? It's on the wall. So you can start thinking about that. Maybe when you're walking around your house, start thinking about what things are on, above, and below. You don't have to turn anything in, but you can be thinking about it. Readers, today we are going to continue practicing identifying what happens at the beginning, middle, and end of a story. So I'm going to read a story to you, and I'm going to write the beginning, middle, and end. And then at the end, what you're going to do is you are going to choose a book of your own, and I have attached a worksheet, and you are going to either write or draw the beginning, middle, and end of your book. If you choose to draw, try to at least write a few words. You don't need to write a complete sentence, but if you draw a picture, maybe write the word of who the character is or another word that you can sound out. But you don't need to write a whole sentence if you choose to do the picture, but you can also write if you would like to write. I'm gonna write when I do mine. So we're gonna look at my book, Brownie and Pearl Step Out. Look who is stepping out. It is Brownie and Pearl. They are going to a party. It is a birthday party. Cats are invited. There is the house. See all the balloons? Now it is time to knock. Uh-oh, Brownie feels shy. Maybe she will go home, but Pearl is not shy. Look, Pearl went in the kitty door. Now Brownie has to knock. Welcome to the party, Brownie. Brownie likes the party. She plays games, she eats cake, she eats ice cream. She eats more ice cream. Brownie is happy that Pearl went in the kitty door. Pearl is happy too. The end. All right, so now I'm gonna think back into my book and I'm going to write down what happened at the beginning, middle, and end of my story. So at the beginning of my story, Brownie and Pearl were walking to the party. All right, Brownie and Pearl are walking to the party. In the middle of the story, Brownie was nervous to knock on the door and go in the party, but then Pearl just went right in. All right, and at the end of the story, Brownie had fun at the party. All right, so again, at the beginning of my story, Brownie and Pearl are walking to the party. In the middle, Brownie is nervous to knock, but Pearl goes right in. And at the end, Brownie had fun and was glad that Pearl went in. So that's what happened at the beginning, middle, and end of the story. And I have a worksheet for you so that you can fill out the beginning, middle, and end of one of your stories. Again, you can either write or draw pictures. If you draw pictures, try to at least sound out one word that you can write down maybe who the character is when you're doing this. So you're going to fill out the beginning, middle, and end of your own stories. Writers, today we are going to be using a rubric to make sure that our nonfiction research books are ready to publish. So I'm going to go over what we should be looking for that's on the rubric, and then I'm going to go through each page of my book to make sure I have these things. The first thing I want to make sure is that I told what my topic was. I want to make sure I wrote facts for each section and that my facts relate to each section. For example, if my section is about what they look like, I shouldn't have a fact about what they eat. My pictures match my facts. So if I'm talking about what they look like, I want to make sure that my picture has all of the details in it that I talk about in my facts. I put spaces between words. I used correct capitalization, and I ended with a period. So we're going to go through each page, and then at the end, we're going to circle either yes or no. So my book again, all about pandas. I have my table of contents with all of my sections. Let's look at my first page, what it looks like. So this should all talk about what it looks like. Pandas have black and white fur. It is very thick. Pandas also have big, flat, strong teeth. Did I tell what my topic was? Yes, pandas. Did I write facts for this section that have to do with what it looks like? Yes. Do my pictures match my facts? Yes, black and white fur. I tried to show his teeth. Do I have spaces between my words? Yes. Did I use correct capitalization? Yes. And did I end my sentences with a period? Yes, I did. So for this page, I did all of those things. Now let's look at my next page. What it eats. Pandas eat bamboo and leaves. They also eat small plants. All right, did I tell my topic? Yes, pandas. Did I write facts for this section? Yes, I only talked about what it eats. Do my pictures match my facts? Yes, I have bamboo, leaves, and small plants. Do I have spaces between my words? Yes. Did I use correct capitalization? Yes. And I ended with a period. All right, let's look at the next page. Where it lives. Pandas live in China. In China, they live in mountain forests. Did I tell what my topic was? Yes. Did I write facts for each section? Yes, I wrote about where it lives, only about where it lives on this page. Do my pictures match my facts? Yes, I did the Chinese flag, and then I did mountain forests. I have spaces between my words. I used correct capitalization. and I ended my sentences with a period. All right, let's look at my last page. Other fun facts. There are less than 1,000 pandas left in the wild. All right, did I tell what my topic was? Yes, I have pandas here. Did I write facts for each section? Yes, this one is about other fun facts. Do my pictures match my facts? Yes, I wrote save the pandas, and I drew a picture of a panda. I have spaces between my words. I used correct capitalization, and I ended with a period. So now that I've gone through all of my pages, I can look back here. Did I always tell what my topic was? Yes. Did I write facts for each section that had to do with what the section was about? Yes. Do my pictures match my facts? Yes, they did. Did I put spaces between my words? Yes. Did I use correct capitalization? Yes. And did I end with a period? Yes. Now, it's okay if you circle no for one of these things. All that means is that whatever you circled no for, you need to go back and fix in your book. So for example, if for one of my pages, my pictures didn't match my facts, so I circled no, I would just go back and fix my picture and add something to it so that it has to do with my facts. Or if I circled no because I didn't end one page with a period, I would just go back and fix it. This helps you keep track of what you need to fix because tomorrow we are publishing our books. In social studies today, we are going to be learning about maps. So our book for today says on a map. Maps show us where to find things. A map is a drawing or picture of a place. A map can be on a piece of paper or on a screen like a tablet or phone. And I know I use the maps on my phone all the time. When you look at a map, it is showing you what the place looks like from above. What do you see in this map? There's the kitchen, bathroom, lounge, bedroom, landing, pantry, and it also tells you that there's a first and a second floor. So it looks like this is a house. You can use a map to help you get somewhere. You find the place that you are in and the place you want to go. You follow roads, highways, or paths to get to that place. Maps can show us where land, roads, and water are located. Can you tell what part of a map is land and what part is water? Can you find a road? So this is not in color, but you can tell because of the white dotted lines, these are the roads. And here, this big circle, this is our body of water, and then the land is around. So on a map, typically the land is green, the water is blue, and then the road is black and white with these white lines, just like you see here. Maps can tell us where mountains and rivers are. Can you tell where the mountains are? How about the river? So here we have mountains, trees, a river. Oops. Maps can tell us where hospitals, airports, and other important spots are. Can you tell where the airport is? How about the hospital? Here we have the airport. You see the plane, and it's kind of small and hard to see, but we have a cross here that tells us that that's the hospital. Maps are important. They show us where to find places and things. And for your worksheet today, you are going to be looking at a map and figuring out where different things are located on it. Great job today, K1. You did a fantastic day of learning. Don't forget to keep practicing for our show-off, and I will see you either on our Zoom call or back here tomorrow for some more learning. Bye!